How to safely clean up a broken bulb. A step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical topic that's useful for everyday life, especially when you're in a situation that requires a bit of caution. How to clean up a broken bulb. Understanding this process is not only essential for keeping your living space safe but also great for enhancing your English vocabulary related to safety and household chores. Let's get started. Before we jump into the cleanup process, it's important to understand why a broken bulb requires careful handling. Most bulbs, especially fluorescent ones, contain a small amount of mercury. While it's not a huge hazard, it's still important to avoid direct contact and ensure that the area is well ventilated. This section will introduce some key phrases such as mercury exposure, ventilate the area, and avoid direct contact. Preparation is key to safely cleaning up a broken bulb. You'll need to gather the right materials before you start. This includes gloves, a piece of stiff paper or cardboard, duct tape, and a sealable plastic bag. We'll also discuss the importance of minimizing movement around the broken bulb to avoid spreading any potential contaminants. Now, let's walk through the cleanup process step by step. We'll start by ventilating the area for at least 10 minutes. Then, using the stiff paper, you'll scoop up the large pieces of glass. Next, use duct tape to pick up any tiny fragments and powder. Finally, everything should be sealed in a plastic bag and disposed of properly. We'll explain phrases like scoop up, pick up fragments, and dispose of properly. After the bulb is cleaned up, there are a few more steps to ensure the area is safe. This involves checking the room's ventilation and cleaning the area where the bulb was broken using damp paper towels or disposable wet wipes. It's crucial to avoid using a vacuum cleaner immediately after the cleanup to prevent spreading mercury powder or tiny glass shards into the air. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to safely cleaning up a broken bulb. We hope this video not only helps you handle such situations more confidently but also enriches your English vocabulary related to household safety. Remember, the key to effective learning is practice and real-life application. So, keep watching, learning, and practicing. See you in our next video.